Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the GitHub 404 error that many users encounter when trying to use TinyTask. This issue usually happens when your GitHub repository settings aren't properly configured, but don't worry, I'll show you the exact steps to fix it. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to your GitHub account. Go to the repository. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Settings tab. Now that you're in the Settings page, on the left section Code and Automation, click on Pages. This is the section where GitHub manages the settings for publishing your site, and it's usually where the 404 error is triggered. On the Pages settings page, there are a few key things to check. First, under the Source section, make sure it's set to Deploy from a branch. Below that, you'll see the branch dropdown. Make sure it's set to Main. A common issue is that it's set to None by default, which causes the 404 error. Now here's a small fix if you're only seeing the None option and can't select anything else. Click on Deploy from a branch again, then choose any other option temporarily. After that, once again select Deploy from a branch. This time, the branch section should update and allow you to select Main, and the folder will automatically set itself to /root. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button. GitHub will now start deploying your site. This process may take around 20 to 30 seconds. Just wait patiently. Once it's done, a live link will appear at the top of the Pages section. Click on it, and your site should now load without the 404 error. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. If your site still isn't working, double-check that the branch is set to Main, or leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Clickfix Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.